All right, guys, let's take a look at what's going on here. So we got US 30 bouncing off a supply and demand zone right here. So I thought it was going to go from 31,600 to 31,500, but it's bouncing off this supply and demand zone here. So it actually needs to pass 31,550 so we can get a nice little drop to 31,500. See how it's struggling right here right now? So trying to set up my other computer real quick. There's the 15-minute. All right. GPJPY. This shit played out perfectly last night. Almost no drawdown. This shit though, fucking almost ate my ass. Yo, Vladimir, you did the Fibonacci on this shit?
What?
You did the fib last night on this? I saw you threw like a fib on it.
Yeah, I did.
I threw the fib, but I threw it backwards. I did it right.
I saw it yesterday. It did a double bottom, so that's what I actually think about.
Yeah, that was beautiful. The double bottom here, top. What up? All right, let's see this thing. So here, like we said, we have a little supply and demand here. You guys see that? Right, it keeps touching. That's why I did that double bottom here. It touched the supply and demand zone, and then it dropped. So I'm looking for a break below the supply and demand zone. For a nice sell. Okay. I might do also a break and then retest it and then continue down. Whichever one it does, jump in the sell. So I'm waiting for that. Let me look at the moving averages. Not that one, this one. Moving averages are turning, so let's take a look. Looks like we're dropping.
Transaction.
So,
No, also pack.
let's go.
So I might come back to the store.
All right, closing in 3 minutes. Meantime, let's take a look at GPAUD dropped. Euro dropped. Let's take a look at this, boy.
Gold popped crazy, bro.
What?
That gold had a pop from like 1770 to like 1782.
Gold, yeah. Gold actually stopped. Let me look at this screen on my. I'll show you right now. See that? 1785. Probably gonna come crashing to 1770 because it couldn't break 1785. It will have to break 1785 to continue back up. So right now, we're still in this zone right here. So it looks like it wants to keep pushing back up. So if it keeps rejecting here and it does a little more candles like up here, I'm gonna sell it all the way back down here. So kind of like what US 30 did here, or rejecting at the psychological level here at 31,600. Kind of rejected. So I should have fucking sold that shit here, but I woke up too late because this is like I just woke up and this just happened now like at fucking 7:30, 8 a.m. So, but this would have been a nice little drop down. But I'm waiting for this candle. We're waiting for this candle to close under this supply and demand zone. Let me draw the other one just in case. I think it's gonna, if it does that, it's gonna start ping ponging again. So let me draw the other one right here.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Morning, man.
What's up, Alex?
Good morning, brother. What's up?
Nothing much, brother.
Let's see.
For Friday.
I think it's gonna try to go for that. I think US 30 is gonna try to go for that 525, bounce back to that supply and come right back down. It's gonna try to do a little play.
Line 25. Yeah, the one that we talked about yesterday.
Yeah.
Is right here. So let's take a look. I want to see if it closes more primarily under this area of supply and demand. Let's look at it on the double screen real quick. I want to see what's going on with it on the 1H.
That double bottom was sick, man. Whoever, I forgot who the guy was. They played it with
Latimer got it.
Fucking nice.
Killed it. So right now, let's see here. What's up with this? Let me actually throw a fib here. As a matter of fact, talking about fibs. Ooh, 31,500 matches with our 50%. Yeah, so you know what that means. We're looking for buys at the 31,500 for a continuation up. Because at the end of the day right now, market is looking bullish. Looking bullish on the 4H, bullish on the 1H. So it's moving up. It's not moving down anymore. It already broke the original fib that we had thrown yesterday, which is right here, exactly where it touched right now. In reality, like when it breaks, so when the market breaks structure, okay, it's when the original fib it's broken. So you want to see this 100, the 0% line broken. That's when the well, in this case, since it was on the way down, okay, since it was a bearish, we will throw the fib like this. So once this 100% line is broken, then you're no longer looking for sales. Now you're looking for buys, which it did almost touch. So let's see what happens. But I would throw my fib like this right now.
I'm so glad I closed my profit yesterday
The what?
on that sell limit.
Yeah.
I closed it out because I went to work and then after I got out of work, I saw it and it was in profit. And I was like, do I want to be greedy or do I want to close this out? I said, no, screw this. I'm going to close it out.
Yeah, me too. I closed it out and I have put actually by accident, bro. I instead of putting 1.0 lot, I put 11 lot.
Holy
by accident.
shit.
Yeah. So when I fucking when I saw it hit on TradingView, that I got an alert. I look at my MetaTrader and I'm like 3,500 in profit. And when I look, I'm in 11 lot. I closed that shit so fast, bro. I was like, oh shit. Bro,
Saw that.
Gold is
like,
popping.
oh, shit.
Gold is popping again.
Let's see. Gold. Woo. Yeah, that shit wants to shoot up, bro. Next psychological level is far too. 1810.
Ooh.
1810. There's one right here, 1800 actually, but it's not really that strong. It's not really that much to go for. So I would do 1800 next target, then 1810. So, but it's far, bro. If you look at it, it really didn't respect 1800. It really just fucking flew all the way down. There was nothing done here. So I think if it goes from here, I think we can probably play it all the way to 1810. Long hold though. You gotta hold that shit long as fuck.
Yeah, the 1 hour looks bullish. 4 hour bullish.
1H, yeah, well, that 1H looks ridiculously bullish. It has to break this here. It's almost doing like a retarded double bottom, like it did with what do you call it with US30 yesterday. It's almost doing the same pattern if you look at it.
Oh,
So
the double top. I mean, yeah, the double top at the top.
no, double bottom right here. Look, you see
But
this US30 last night?
You said it's doing a retarded double top.
No, double bottom. So right here on the 1H on gold.
I see
Look
what
at
you're
this.
saying about double bottom, but you were saying yesterday too that because at the top when it was dropping, it made a retarded double top.
Where?
Yesterday at the top.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So look at it drop. It dropped all the way down to the target. It dropped down to 1765. Picked up again at the target. Not dropping back up. If it would have broken 765, man, that shit would have dropped like another 30 points. $30 actually. That shit would have been like 30,000 pips rather.
Damn.
Right now, bro, it's just hauling ass right now.
GJ looked like it's gonna come down on the 1 hour.
GJ's been trying to come down, but it doesn't have momentum. Right now, it has a nice little supply and demand zone right here. They would have to break that. Let's see. Oof, yeah, you see that supply and demand zone? Look how beautiful it is.
Mm-hmm.
They would have to break that to continue all the way down. So let's go back to US dirty. US dirty. I hate this shit. I love it and I hate it. It just feels like US 30 feels like sometimes it just doesn't do what you want it to do. Like it just does whatever the fuck it wants sometimes.
Yeah, that does something. You just got to kind of pay attention to what price is telling you, though.
Yeah, that's
Look
what
at GBP AUD.
that shit overnight. I left it running overnight. Remember, I sent this to you. That shit's.
It looks like look at it on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, it looks like it wants to continue to come back now to retrace.
We have this rejection candle right here, so we will have to wait to see what this candle does. Let's look at this rejection candle right here. This last 1H. So we will have to see what happens with this candle and shit like that.
9 minutes.
What's the 4H looking like? 4H, yeah. See, 4H looking weak as fuck. See this big ass bearish candles, and look at this weak ass bullish candle right now.
Mm-hmm.
So I would like to see for a reversal. I would like to see this right here broken.
So above, so okay, gotcha.
Yeah. I would like to see that broken, so a nice reversal up. So, but US 30, my favorite.
You can tell that's your favorite because that's the one that has all the fucking lines and everything.
Well, this one, yeah, bro. I love US 30. It's really not hard, bro. The only thing with US 30 is that you have to have more patience than the others. With US 30, it's just like price action, and you know, sometimes a lot of people don't like to hold US 30, but I like to hold it sometimes because a lot of the time it plays out. It just takes a little bit of time.
Yeah, it depends on the term. I mean, how you say it, the trend, like long term, what it is.
Exactly.
And depending on your entry, because you could have gotten an entry on the lower time frame that looks good, but
Exactly.
on the high, it wasn't the main point.
Yep. That's why some people don't have the patience, man. If you enter on a short term, you gotta look for short term returns. Like as far as like 15 minutes, you have to look for returns within the next hour. Okay,
Yeah.
so if it doesn't play out within the next hour or so, then you gotta get the fuck out. But when you're looking at long terms, like 1H, 4H, then now you know that's when you're better off on long term. So
Yeah,
see
and
how it's
thinking about
struggling.
patience the other day, I could have made a lot of pips.
Yeah,
because
that's what it's all about.
On that buy, like almost at the bottom. The one where it spiked up, where it left like that long wick, and then
Yeah.
Man, that would have been so many pips.
Yeah, man. That's the only thing I learned with US 30. You gotta have patience, bro. And sometimes you gotta have balls, bro, because that shit goes into a deep drawdown.
Yeah.
So sometimes when I traded that I go into deep drawdowns, I'm trading it on the 1H. Because I'm seeing it break all these psychological levels and I'm seeing it go for the all-time high. So on the 1H. So it goes into crazy deep drawdown. But at the end of the day, I get that end result, which is what I want. This right here fucking was crazy the other day. Just ping pong, up, down, up, down. So right now, this zone right here, gold, breaks below. I think it's gonna do a wick on the 4H. Let's see. Like it's gonna close above the zone and just leave like a nice wick below probably.
To keep pushing forward up.
Yeah, to keep pushing forward up. But the 31,600 is strong. 31,600. If you look at it, the last 4H ended below that, and here we're under it now, so it's pretty strong.
Possible that it could retest that high again.
The new time high.
Yeah,
Yeah, if it continues pushing up, and breaks the 31,650, we can see that nice retest back up. If you see here on these two 4H candles, they both wicked up, but look essentially where they ended under 31,650.
Yeah.
Just like this right here. So 31,650 is if we look for a break above this and a close above this, at least on the 1H, we're looking for a nice little push above. Let me see what's up with GBP JPY. Yeah, GBP JPY, bro. I want to see a break of this supply and demand for a nice drop to 147 ish, like right here. This area. This right here is major resistance right there. Look at that. Last time it was there, rejected, didn't even touch it, rejected it all the way down. So look how bullish it looks on the 4H. Move my little box here. So what I like to do here, the reason why I have all these boxes, I put it in the new course too, but essentially I move from zone to zone. So I teach you how to do it in the new course. For example, this is one of my trades right here. Zero drawdown. Over here I had another one. So I'm looking for the next one. Probably up here. This one would have been a nice one. I didn't catch it, but this one would have been nice. Another fucking zero drawdown right there. Boom. The 4H. I only trade these on the 4H. So
And for real, that would have been a sick one, bro.
yeah. It's a little strategy I made. So right here would have been like right there. Target. Boom. No drawdown. Nice 1,000 pips up. Look at this.
What's the time frame between each of those zones? Because the box size seems to be kind of similar.
They are similar because they're all equal to 1,000 pips. So that's why they're similar, but they're about 400. It's not 400. My bad. We're talking about 4H candles. That's why they're 4H candles.
Okay.
I only do this on the 4H. As soon as the 4H ends like this or like this, it's a strategy I built on the like I said on the advanced course. But it's basically a strategy. When it ends like this in a certain way in a certain point, then I get that all the way back up.
So it's like a strategy for swing trading in a way.
Exactly.
That's a pretty good strategy. I like it.
Yeah. No, it's solid. It's solid. Over here, you can't do anything. I mean, you could have done it here, but I don't like it. You can't do it. It doesn't work on mid numbers. So you would have had to done it. You would have had to done some shit like from here to here or something like that. But it's solid, bro. It's solid. That's the problem with signals, bro. That a lot of signals, like when I send signals, people expect immediate results because they fucking use a stop loss and they don't swing, you know. They just want like intraday shit. And I'm more of like I do a lot of intraday, but the biggest bangers, like if you want to make the most money, you wanna do a little swing, you know. You want to swing from one point to the other. Ooh, that shit closed below the supply and demand, and immediately brought the next candle immediately brought it back up. So we did not have a break there. We would have had to have at least a nice little break retest or something. So let's shit coming back up for that 31,000. I knew though, bro, this shit looked like it wanted to wick. I told you, it looked like it was gonna leave a wick behind. We literally just talked about that shit right now.
Yeah, he did. Holy shit, man. That thing's gonna jump then.
Yeah, I think it's gonna pop, bro. 700, here it comes.
Yeah, we gotta wait for the break now. Now what we're waiting for is a break above 31,600. Let's wait on that shit right now. Happening right now. Jump on now. Has anybody set up MetaTrader for Mac yet?
I haven't got Mac.
No. I gotta see.
Windows.
Me, bro.
Yeah, does it work good?
Like I told you, I have the plugin on. I mean, I haven't. I downloaded MetaTrader, but it's for iOS. It's not for like Macintosh.
not from Mac.
No, it's for the iOS, for the iPad,
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but if you want to use it on the computer, you have to download the plugin.
No, they did a new one now. They did a new MetaTrader for Mac, bro.
When it come out, because I downloaded the iOS like a week ago. If it's this week, then I haven't downloaded that one.
I believe it's only for Osprey. So tienes que mirar la cuenta de Osprey. If you go to the Osprey, it's right there.
Bro, I was gonna
Came
ask
out like
you.
a week ago.
I was gonna ask you. I think AOT lets you withdraw way more than 50K at the same time, bro.
No. All the even Osprey lets you withdraw 50K at the same time. The problem I'm having is when you send the 50K to crypto. Crypto is the one that only lets me do 50K a month, bro.
Oh, so you can withdraw all the money, but crypto is the only one that fuck you over on the how much you can take.
Exactly. I gotta be using like the other day I withdrew 110 and I had to fucking do Kraken. I had to do crypto, like all that shit at the same time.
Right. Distributor coin change and crypto and all that shit. So you can do probably
all that
100K daily.
Yeah.
Unless you have more wallets.
Yeah, exactly. That's the only fucking thing.
Okay.
Damn, I didn't.
It's a good problem to have.
It's a horrible problem to have, bro. You can't take your money out, bro.
But at least you know your money's there. At least you can see the zeros growing, man. That's awesome.
I guess. Let's see, yo. You saw this crazy rejection here, crazy wick, bro.
Yeah, bro.
This is crazy. Let's see. I needed to close above 31,600. Close, bitch. Okay, let's see.
That's crazy, man. I didn't know Gabriel was on this call.
Yeah, that's my boy.
Yeah,
Bro,
like,
I've been in calls. I've been in calls with Alejandro privately. You guys don't know, bro.
no. The way I found Alejandro is because I followed you. I've been following you since like 2018, maybe.
Oh shit.
My boy been following you since the hurricane.
I
We gotta
remember when-
diversify, bro. We gotta get all the money we can, bro. Forex,
remember
e-commerce
doing
courses.
like Facebook Lives and stuff like that.
Oh shit, that's back. Well, you're back in the day, bro.
But, no, yeah, I'm telling you, I've been following you for a while, but one
Been
thing.
following you since the Green Aventador.
Yeah, pretty much.
Shit, 2018.
Mhm.
Let's get this money.
When I saw you were doing trading, I was like, oh shit, like Gabriel's into trading now. Because like I've been on both. I was doing Shopify, but I haven't really been too successful with it. And even then, like
Yeah.
I tried it again.
Hit up Gabriel.
What's up?
Yo. Oh my god. All right, check this out. Check this out real quick. New 1H just started. Look how this last 1H started. No, ended, my bad. So we definitely have a lot of rejection where I told you guys the zone right here. Let's see what's up. Oh man. Perfect. 31,000. Yo, when that shit breaks 31,600, we're jumping on buys all the way up. And I'm gonna hold until like new all-time highs. Let's take a look at GJ. Remove this shit. See, like here, for example, remember that strategy I was telling you guys? You would not enter on here, on this 4H here. Even though it did went from zone to zone, you will still not enter. What you guys want to see on that strategy, for those of you who have the advanced course, what you want to see is a 4H end like this at the point of interest. Once it ends, the 4H ends at the point of interest, you put your stop loss a little more down, and then you ride it to the next point. But this right here, you do not enter because it's still waiting for a retest. So it could come and bring it back up again. You wanna do something like this where there's not gonna be a retest, only just a breakthrough. So, and we're still waiting on US Dirty. Yo, Gabriel. Yesterday, I put a trade, and I put like a sell limit, and I thought I put 1.0, and I put 11.0. Man.
War. US 30?
Yeah, 11.0, like literally like 100 and like $1,000 and something dollars.
1100.
Point. Yeah,
Sure.
1100 a point. When I looked at that shit, bro, when it hit and I looked at that shit, and it was like 3,000 in profit. I closed the fuck out of that shit, like crazy. Yeah, I should figure that out.
So that lot size is 1,100 pip then.
100 point.
11.00 on US 30 is 1,100 a point. So that means that if it moves a point up, you make 1,100. Moves down, you lose 1,100 per point.
That's insane.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say because I notice how some traders count pips different than points or whatever. They say, like for example, if it moves 300 points, they say that's what is it? That's only
30 pips.
Yeah, that would be 30 pips, but they would say 300, which doesn't make too much sense for me because it's like you're just trying to like increase the pip value or whatever, or not the pip value, but the.
Yeah, no, with with US 30. So with US 30, every 10 points is 100 pips on US 30.
Yeah, because like technically 3,000 pips is only 300. I mean, not 3,000 points would be 300 pips.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So every 10 points here is to 100 pips. Let's see this shit, bro. Break, bro. You guys see this shit right here, right? You see this crazy rejection right here on 31,600. Like it does not want to touch. It does not want to break above.
No.
Bro, crazy. Look at this. Let's go.
6 minutes. Look at GJ.
GJ.
GJ's about to hit a little bull
Yeah.
flag and explode it up.
Yeah. Where's Jay at, bro? Where's Jay? Fucking Jay never gets on the calls, bro. Mister, I want to buy GJ. I want to sell GJ. So I told you guys, you gotta wait for confirmations, man. You gotta look at things like this, right here, and know that that's a supply and demand zone. Until that shit is not broken, you're not in sales. Don't get in the FOMO because this is right here. That's all it is. This is FOMO. To then take you out. And then every time it breaks 31,600 and people want to get in, it takes them out. Look, it takes them out. You want to wait. This shit is all about patience, bro. All about patience. We were just talking about that, me and Juan right now. So it's all about patience in this shit, man. Or you will be taken out. GJ. I'm waiting for the reversal on this though. Waiting for the reversal on that. I just wanted to close. It seems like it's hovering around the 10% on the fib. Just wanted to close above 31,600. He's gonna fly. Ooh, Apple 130 already. I sent a signal for those who follow stocks to buy Apple at 128. I don't know if you guys saw it, but Apple is already touched 128 and is already at 130. Target sell is 140. So up here somewhere.
Yeah, so there's the possibility that because Apple's one of the how you say it, the more high US 30.
The what?
You were talking about this in a video actually, but you were saying that there's like a couple of stocks in US 30 that weigh more.
Yeah.
Yeah,
there's
United
stocks that weigh
Health.
more.
Right.
Here, I'll put it on the Telegram. There's a link that I think Leonardo sent that had all the Dow Jones. It actually has the SPY and the NASDAQ. So I sent it for you there.
All right. Hey, Rodriguez. That's my last name.
Damn, that shit's rejecting crazy.
Yep. So you wait for confirmation.
Okay, United Health, Goldman Sachs.
Oh, you're talking about the list I have right here, bro. Right here, look. So
You sent it to me on.
right there, United, Goldman Sachs, Home Depot, CRM, MSVT, which is Microsoft.
Okay, these are the higher weighing ones, like Microsoft. Actually, McDonald's. Damn. It's crazy. I've never heard of Salesforce though.
Salesforce is
CRM.
huge, bro.
They make a contact relations management manager app for huge corporations. They're huge.
So which one is Tesla a part of?
S&P 500.
S&P 500. Okay.
Yeah, it just became part.
Oh, all right. Yeah, because I know my friend trades stocks, but I think he's doing like long term. And I told him like there's gonna be a correction, but he might just hold it out and maybe buy later at the bottom, like with what he.
Alex, look at this shit. EJ right now broke through the 128 zone.
Woo! Closes above that, it's game over, bro. Game over.
Look at, yeah, EJ is broke over 128. That's not psych level. Close. And if it closes, it's gonna blow up.
Rest in peace, GJ Byers.
Sellers, actually.
Oh, like what? I thought it was going
No,
up.
and look at EJ, Euro and JPY.
What the Japanese yen
Yeah.
would be strength.
That shit broke the 128.
Hey, Jay's on the chat. Tell him to hop on the call.
Oh shit, EJ just fucking popped.
Broke 148. Damn. I'm tempted to buy right now because we could actually buy right here and do a stop loss down here. Let's see how we do this real quick, guys. Stop loss right here. I'm gonna get on it with a low lot size, but I'm waiting for I'm gonna see where we can do a retest real quick.
Are you waiting for a retracement on it?
I got a little retest of it, like to confirm that 148 is a support now.
Oh, get you.
Now it broke through, but it hasn't really confirmed that 148 support. So it could just come crashing all the way down. RSI is oversold too. So
You mean overbought?
yeah, overbought. Overbought, so it's dangerous to buy right now. What's up with US 30? Bro, same shit. Still in the same spot. Same spot.
Gold playing games.
Oh, and our side is overbought on the 4H too. 4H, 1H. It's entering overbought area on all time frames. Let's see the daily candle. Oh, our daily candle is ridiculously bullish.
Mm-hmm.
And it has 6 hours, almost 7 hours left. Yeah, I wouldn't jump with that buy right now, actually. It's fucking dangerous. Unless it's pushing forward.
Damn, EJ popped even more. Fuck.
It's possible.
Right.
You could maybe retrace down to your supply zone again.
Yeah.
And then back up.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking because in reality, like I said, it hasn't confirmed, like I said, the 148 is a support. So right now we're just letting it ride. But essentially I wanted to see come back here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, it's good bounce down there and then take off up again.
Exactly. Right now, all this shit right now is FOMO. People seeing this shit go up, people buying in right now.
Mm-hmm.
It's good for scalping though. We can scalp that shit out right now. But dangerous. US 30 still playing games. Wow. We take all this. So
Do you trade Euro JPY or no?
Euro, yeah.
No, Euro JPY.
Oh, Euro JPY? No.
That shit right now looks good, man. First time I ever took a look at it. That shit broke through nasty.
That shit going up on a Friday. Club going up. Bro, it's crazy. You started fucking with us today.
Oh, but that's a heavy ass rejection on that 1 hour.
Yeah.
But that's a tough one. Like it could be a reversal too. But I don't know. It's a lot of push up.
Yeah, you gotta wait for the next candle to close. See what's gonna do.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna trade a Euro JPY. Fuck it. It's going to do something.
I think you're straight for the fucking fly. It's DJ. Look at DJ fly. Look at the daily and see what's the. Oh yeah. GJ hasn't been this high since March 2019. That's crazy. 149 Hondo.
Look at gold on the daily.
Gold on the daily.
Look what happened on the last time it hit this little area back in December 1st. Nasty spike back up too.
Yeah, but you're gonna go up right now or just break that and I said free fall. Could break that. Scary times. I mean, there's still doji here. Doesn't convince me neither. Oh my god, man, you're sturdy. Just do something already, bro. Break the fucking. It's crazy, man. Oh, it's playing games. Look at that. Okay, I think it's gonna fly though, bro. The way it rejected that last 1H.
Yeah.
Tells me there's a lot of buyers that are willing to pick this thing up. We're just waiting for that break above 31,600. Look at that.
It's crazy. They're not letting this thing die. They just keep pumping it.
It's just touching it, going down, touching it, going down. Like, it's crazy, bro. Break. Let's go. What's going on in the 5 minutes with this thing? Oh, 5 minutes is another disaster. 5 minutes is a disaster. We'll stay on the 15. Jesus, bro. That level's it's crazy. Five-minute ending in 3, 2, 1. Then did not break. Ooh, gold rejection off the 1785. Ends like that. I'm going in.
We're doing you shorting it?
Yeah, I like that rejection right there. See how it, so broke 1785. Next candle brought it back down, which means it didn't really break through. Next candle retested it. When it does that, you want to just short it. Just short it all the way down.
Okay.
But you have to, when you get a setup like this, you get that nice retest. See that brought back up, boom, brought it back down. You get the retest because that confirms that this is now resistance. You get me? That it was never really broken.
Mm-hmm.
This shit, bro. Come on, man. Just break above it, bro. Just break above it. You know how many people must be watching this thing right now at 31,600? Because look at this. Look how many rejections there is. Like, there has to be people just selling it every time it touches it. Here we go. There we go. Waiting for that close. And then down here, it definitely went down, touched that supply and demand, and then went up. So GJ, go. Oh my God, look at that shit. Yo, I'm telling you. Bro, this thing is crazy. Wow, bro. I thought it was ready to roll. I'm like, finally. At this point, might as well start shorting it every time it touches 31,600. You would have made thousands already. UPAUD. See what I was telling you earlier, Roger? GPAUD.
The what? Oh, GPAUD.
Yeah, remember how we had this little bullish 1H?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, 4H.
But it wasn't big enough.
Yeah, but it wasn't big enough. Look how it just turned into a bearish. Look at that. It was like up here bullish. It was about to like you know. What I said, what I wanted to see was a break above this level right here. If a bullish candle would have came up and broken this level, now we're talking about a reversal back up. But otherwise, it's still on the downtrend to 178,000. Take up this FIPS. So at this point, we don't really need them right now. We already know that 50% is 31,500. And now it's just playing games on top of this supply and demand zone. I don't even trade Fridays that much. But lately they've been really volatile and they've been moving a lot lately. So ooh, GJ flying.
EU too. EU just posted a huge freaking bullish 15-minute wick green candle. If it closes above that little break zone, then
Wow, bro. Can't believe that 15-minute ended below that again. Playing with us.
$30-minute just close.
All that close. Yeah, it's close the same shit. Wow. Wow, gold on that rejection. Let's see that shit. Coming back to retest 1785. Retest that shit. So here I want to see, this is what I want to see. Nice little retest, continue. Or retest, continue. If I do the fib, so this area would be perfect for continuation because it's close to the 50%. See this real quick. Breaking above. All right, let's see what's up with this thing, bro. This thing's been playing games all day. GJ, gold. So waiting for a break above this, guys. Again, for those who just got in, we're waiting for a break above the 31,600. A break and close above 31,600 for a fly up to possibly all-time highs. Right now, what it's doing is basically just hovering above a supply and demand zone. So this little supply and demand zone that we got right here, just hovering around it. So we've been waiting for it to break. GJ. Bro, gold. I'm on gold sales.
Spegni un po', non ce la puoi fare, altro che i drogati, peggio.
See if we get that gold sell all the way down.
Ascoltami tanto quella che dice tua nonna.
No.
Hey, bro, are we in this trade?
What?
Are we in this trade?
I just took a gold sell right now, but it's not going anywhere. It looks like it's just there. I entered right here at the top of this wick. I'm on it right now. My only scare with gold is when you look at the 1H, how it ended above and then this ends below. You can just do like a long wick and close above 1785. But this is a 4H. A lot of rejection from here, so let's see, bro. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go again for the 600th time. Let's see if it finally breaks. Let's see. Jesus Christ, man. Let's ride. Let's go. Four minutes. Let's go. I scalped it right now. It's my like $700 right now. Little quick scalp. Looks like it's finally gonna close above. Let's see, 3 minutes. Oof, flying. Flying. Oh my God, bro. You're fucking kidding me, bro. Can't believe it went under 31,600 again. Bro, you're fucking it's ridiculous. With a minute left, and the shit closes under 31,600, fucking done.
Hey, but you know it's crazy. It was President's Day. There was actually a lot of volatility on it,
Yeah, it was.
which is weird because holidays are usually like slow.
Yeah, because usually President's Day retailers are what's moving the market, not banks, because the banks are not present on President's Day. You know, they're not working. So I don't know. There was a lot of retailers, I guess. I guess retail traders
Saying
moving the market on that day.
they did like what GameStop did.
Yeah, there was a lot of game stoppers. Oh, it's crazy. No way, bro. No way, bro. Don't tell me this thing's gonna end again under this shit.
It's only a couple of seconds left now.
It's insane, bro. No way. Yo, I cannot believe this shit. No fucking way, bro. Yo, this is crazy. This is nuts. This is nuts, bro. You guys are witnessing this right now. This is nuts. This is literally crazy. That goes to show you the power of psychological levels. That's what it's all about. This one looks like it wants to push it up. So, let's see what's up. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. That's nuts. All right. So now it's approaching 11 a.m., guys. Usually we would have taken a trade by now, but obviously US 30 has been playing games. GJ still going up. GA and gold. I'm on this gold sell right now. See how it plays out. I put a low lot size just because I think it could wick. I think it could do like a wick on the 1H all the way back up to the top. You can either wick all the way back up or you could just finally drop all the way down to 1770. So I put a low lot size according to my account for a stop loss up here somewhere. But here, we finally got a breakthrough. So we'll end the session here. Just right now, what we're looking for, guys, is a break above 31,600. Okay, a close above, because as you can see, guys, if you would have been in any of these wicks trades, right? If you would have gotten the FOMO of fear of missing out and jump in, you would have been taken out multiple times. So it's not just breaking 31,600. We want to see a close above 31,600, because as you can see with this candle right here that we thought was going to close above, retrace all the way back. So that's what we're looking for in US 30 right now. I believe if we close above 31,600, we're going to make our ways to new highs. So if you guys can do a nice stop loss when it closes above 31,600 and hold it, you guys will get a nice little payout for sure. So like if we can do like, let's say, that's why like also risk management is so important, because if you do, for example, if you get on the trade, right, and you do high lot sizes, okay, you're not going to be able to hold the trade all the way to the end. Why? Because as soon as you see a little retracement back here into the drawdown zone, you're going to freak out. Versus if you're doing the proper risk management, a little retracement is not going to phase you. okay, and it's not gonna take you out the trade. So it's better to catch, you know, 400 points at 0.10 than catch only 50 points, you know, or 20 points at 0.20 or 0.50. If you're over leveraging. So you want to catch, the idea is to catch the big trades, guys. Just let it run and let it do its thing. Again, like for example, I use 1.0, but 1.0 according to my account, it's really low. You get me? For my account balance. So just because you see me using 1.0, don't think that I'm over leveraging. I'm actually not at all. 1.0 for my account, it's nothing. It's, you know, let me give it to you this way. 1.0 for my account is like using 0.10 on a $10,000 account. Okay. So you guys want to use, you know, the proper balance, actually, my bad. 1.0 for my account is like using 0.10 on a $30,000 account. So you guys want to leverage correctly. Don't, you know, if you have a $20,000 account, try to use 0.10, 0.15, because over leveraging will take you out of the trade early. And also, if you go into drawdown, it's gonna look like a big deal to you when it really isn't. If you're expecting the drawdown, then it really isn't. So that's all we're waiting for now. We're waiting for a break above that. So looks like it might happen now, but I'm gonna cut it short here, and let's see what happens. We'll see if we can get more live trading like this going on next week, so we can take some trades together. So I'm gonna try to make it a habit, so we can jump in on every day and try to make some money. Today's Friday. I don't usually even trade on Fridays. I like to trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's why sometimes you'll see that I don't even do anything on Mondays. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is better because what happens is Sunday, Monday, the market creates its pattern. Okay, when it opens on Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you can already see the path. Friday is very volatile because everybody's trying to, you know, either take profit or put in trades for the weekend. So the best days to trade out of the week are definitely Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday sometimes. I wanted to check it out today, but as you can see today, didn't play out. So we'll see if this candle can play out, right? But hit me up if you guys have any questions though, and we'll see. I'll see you guys next week, all right?
All right, Alex. Thank you.
Peace out, dude.
Thank you, bro.
All right, my brother. We'll talk later.
Dale.
Take care, bro.